Hello friends, I hope you do quite well, and here is 4 gym fitness flare and one text file for font. You copy here and download these font free on web. So these files are PSD for Photoshop user. Here is 1 2 3 4 with different design. So I drag this file to Photoshop, and we need a background photo like a bodybuilder, but we apply any other photo. So your photo is here. We need a image. Open gym photo like this, or I think this is better. Okay, drag there, press shift, and here is okay. And you see our gym flares is ready. You can write your any text here. Your big company is open, okay, and write your URL, extract, and here is text, and here is background. You can change color background like this. You see here, depend your own choice. Okay, so I close this file. These files are CMYK color, that's mean you can print. Gym name, okay, this go to Photoshop. We need image, so I drag any image like this. Very simple. Here, okay, our gym flare is ready. Write anything. Here is mini plan, simple plan, and pro plan. You can edit it. And the same here, so you can import your image, write your any text or title, or you write your offers. Here is your photo, so I apply last file as last photo, and like this. These are a shopping. Wow. Enter, and you see, but you can apply a bodybuilder background, depend your own choice. Here is same look like a sale banner, or sorry, sale flares. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel and subscribe my Telegram channel, Sheri Official. So I hope